Hello Euanimous Friends! Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. I'm Euanne Hyuna. Today video, I wanna share to you how to cook the perfect mini sago or tapioca pearls. But before we start, don't forget to click the big subscribe button down and notification bell to notify you for my latest video. Let's be friends! So let's start now! Euanimous Friends, in a casserole, pour 1 liter or 4 cups of water. Let it boil. Now, add the 1 cup mini sago and stir it. Cover it and let boil for about 2 to 3 minutes. Once it boils, turn off the fire. Mix the mini sago and cover it. Let it set for 15 minutes without removing the pot cover. After 15 minutes, this is how it looks like. Mix well. Then, add 2 cups of water. Turn on the fire. Let it boil for about 2 to 3 minutes. Turn off the fire, mix it, cover the pot and let it set for another 30 minutes. Don't open it. After 30 minutes, this is how it looks like. Add another 2 cups of water. Open the fire. Let it boil for about 2 to 3 minutes. Turn off the heat, mix it well, and let it set for another 30 minutes. Don't remove the cover. After 30 minutes, our mini sago is completely cooked now. Then, wash the mini sago. Remove the water in the mini sago or use strainer, then transfer it in the container. Euanimous Friends, this is our perfect mini sago. So if you find this video very interesting, don't forget to like and share and click the big subscribe button down and notification bell to notify you for my latest video, because you got me and I got you. Just leave the message in the comment box below and I'll be back to you. I promise. I love you.